Thumbelina.
Thumb.
What are you looking for? What did you ask for that Santa hasn't gotten you yet?
I found this. It fell behind the TV. It was all tucked all the way in the back.
It says to Thumbelina from Santa.
You think it's for you?
What do you think it might be? Yeah. Open it up. I don't know what it could possibly be. I don't know what it could possibly be.
Let's see. Unwrap it.
Hurry up, hurry up. Oh my god. Hurry up. What did you get?
I think it's a Red Ryder BB gun.
Yeah, you think? What is it? What is it, Thumbelina? Let me see. Oh my god. What is it, babe?
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Hurry up. Oh my god. Oh, you got an avocado. How did Santa know?
That's your favorite.
Your favorite in the whole world. Oh, you happy? Are you so happy?
Best Christmas ever.
Best Christmas ever. Thank you, Santa.
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình mình tình tang 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 tình.
These little furry moving balls are actually Campbell's hamsters, which are a type of dwarf hamster. For the original Campbell's hamsters, the hair on their backs shows this black line, and this kind of Campbell's hamster that looks like it's had a perm is actually a recessive gene mutation. Its hair will stay curly throughout its life, and the black line on its back will fade or even disappear. Interestingly, since Campbell's hamsters are wilder than common hamsters, they are more energetic. But this also means that Campbell's hamsters have a relatively grumpy temper, so it's harder for them to build trust with humans. When the owner wants to get close to or touch them, they may resist or even bite. To tame them, you need to do desensitization training on them. For example, stroke them in your hand like this from a young age to let them get used to it gradually. You can also feed them by hand to let them get familiar with your smell. Slowly, you'll get a really docile little hamster.
Ooh.
This is Sally in her armchair. She sits here most of the day and she's chewed the upholstery off to make it more comfortable.
Well, Sally, go for a swim. Good girl. Good girl. That's my bed. Good girl. I live on my own, so I don't have anybody to contend with about the state of the furniture or anything like that, and it certainly doesn't bother me. I much prefer to have her. It's been the nicest thing that ever happened to me, I think. So now she's part of the family. That's it. Sally? Sit there. Sally.
Sally was found emaciated on a beach and brought to Frank Mulroney, the local vet. He's nursed her back to health and they have formed a special bond. She won't take food from anyone else. He takes her swimming in a seawater pool but now faces a dilemma. He says he'll do whatever is best for her, but she can't or won't feed herself, and until she does, he cannot let her go back to the wild.
If she can't go back, I'd put a proper pool at the house and make a proper ramp for her where she can get in and out, build a shelter for her, and I think she'll be quite happy there.
With mornings spent in an armchair and afternoons here at the swimming pool, Sally's life is not particularly stressful. It's hard to be absolutely sure, of course, but she seems pretty happy with the way things are.
Charlie Kirky, I spot the perky. Charlie Kirky,
No! Hey! You leave him alone.
Dylan, take him.
Ma'am, how did you get out? Polly? You are so busted. What have you... Oh my... Polly Ann. How did you bust out, Polly? This is not okay. It is is a disaster in here. I thought somebody was breaking in. You raided the bag of stuffies, didn't you? Polly.
You got things. That's great. Hi. Oh, hi.
Stop. Stop thumping. Stop being mad.
Baby.
Oh, he's talking to you guys.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Да?
Киса.
Зачем ты записываешь? Зачем? Настя. Настя, что ты... Настя.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ow, 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 show them, girl, yeah.
at this shameless dog of mine sitting at someone else's table trying to have lunch with them. Absolutely. And she's getting food as well.
Binu! Binu! Hi. Hi. You gonna dance? Do the Binu dance. Binu! Binu! He's such a good boy. Hey, Binu? Shuffle? Can you just shuffle? Binu!
Has he stopped doing the side squat?
I don't know. Do you not do squats anymore? Binu!
Don't tell me you matured and stuff.
Wow. 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 Wow.
咪咪，什么？好宝儿啊！啦啦啦啦啦。
out to my dog Kato. Rest in peace, baby. It's the king thing. Dogs that I call my friends, praying for all my friends, things I do for my friends. We miss you, ALK. Started off two dogs with the same goals. Nothing but two dogs walking the same road. Two different cultures, but had the same heart.
A scientist in Peru captured this, escaping from the tiny body of a sleeping hummingbird. A high-pitched but unmistakable snore. Hummingbirds are loved for their beauty and speed, but this one was behaving a little bit like a human. The perfect cute response trigger.
Hi. Hi. It's okay.
Check this out, guys. In this dirt here, he's digging around. It's actually a little mole. And now he's trying to dig to my hands. There's a lot of force in those forearms there. That's really impressive. I don't know if moles bite, but he's not.
I have held in my heart are harder to hide than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I want.
You smell it?
Yeah, buddy. Oh, okay.
Hey, where your mom at? ¿Dónde está mamá? ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde tu mamá? ¿No tienes? ¿No tengas? ¿No tienes? Lo siento, pobrecito. Remy, you okay? Remy, you okay? You good?
Quit lifting your head, goof.
And I got 2 guns right here. I am a fighter.
But he's putting up a strong fight. Oh, it's okay. I know.
Oh, buddy.
Hey, Cookie. Why did the cat sit on the computer? Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse.
Pickle, you want a belly rub? Is that cool or what? Whoa, hello.
Ngambek, ngambek. Nih ngambek. Ini buat Miko yang baru ganteng. Nih.
What? Is your food bowl empty?
Yeah, walk hard on my one in that young guy got raced up all of my I wasn't getting
Oh, I hope I don't fall. Can't a hoe tell me shit. Cause bitch, I'm the shit. Oh, my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out. They must have forgot I was a crip.
Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna S-R-E-A-K.
Oh shit, I haven't got any brakes left on, I can't alternate. Oh fuck. Now we're about to be mobbed. No, you fucker. Oh look, that one's coming over. No, go to Bethan. She's the one who's coming over to you. Oh fuck. Ah! Kennel! Oh nice, aren't they? Ah, Kennel! Bethan! That's lovely, that chestnut. Oh, it really likes kelp. Wow, I've got this on film. That's amazing.
That chestnut's a bit of a boy, isn't it?
Yeah, fucking hell, it's shit. Yeah, I like that.
Compa, ¿qué le parece esa morra? La que anda bailando sola, me gusta pa' mí. Bella.
I'm just trying to tell you how I feel, I've been on turn down, too much, but turn down.
Oye, tú no sabes que me llamo familia de la mujer, Clarissa. Мальчик. Красавчик.
Лукас.
Это ваш? Нет, это моего покупателя. Это Лёсь, я бы его расцеловала, но он кусается. Конечно.
Ain't
What? Say it again. What? Hold on. But what did you...
Sit.
Hi, Baldy. What's up, buddy?
Sit. Sit down.
He doesn't know sit.
Yes, he does.
Oh, shit, he does.
Yeah, he does. Good.
Привет, мой хороший! Привет! Главное, не упусти меня. Да, сейчас деньги. Минуты, пожалуйста. Привет! Не надо, хорошенький.
ريتا 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 لا يكون مغمى عليها هاي ولا فيها شيء. لك ريتا ماما بتدور عليكي، اياتها هناك، روح 10 لها ساعة بتدور عليكي، اجري. راحت عليها نومة يا حرام. الضنا غالي والأم غالية.
Let me rock you to the break of day. Dance with me. Talk to me, boy. No disrespect, I don't mean no harm. Talk to me, boy.
Your demise. Are you stuck?
Doing.
Said what?
Just say what? You.
What? What?
That joke was really funny.
Like getting baths? Why not?
Hello.
Hey. Thank you. Can you hold on? No. Johan. Johan! You're adopted.
هات اللحمة. هات.
I love you.
Глянь, таке чудо прибігло. Глаз виїдає окуня. Нос длинний, пузо біленьке. Що це, миша чи що це? Чи це вихухоль якийсь? Глянь, ти що робиш? Що ти робиш? Ладно, норка прибігає за щукою. Ну, щоб миша за окунем прибігала, гляньте. І не боїться нічого, дивіться. Оп-оп. Хороша, хороша мишка. Кушаєш? Ну, кушай, кушай. Гляньте яка. Що ти? Окунь понравився, да? Хороший. Ну, кушай, кушай. Не буду мешать тобі. Все, давай, занимайся, занимайся.
Hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me.
야, 벌어.
Daj. O kurwa.
Aí, que vergonha. Quer ver como é que você vai fazer pra sair daí agora? Vem aqui. Vem cá. Aí. Vem cá. Tango, aqui, ó. Vem aqui, ó.
咦，这有个小猫咪，小猫咪，小猫咪，过来叫我看看，小猫咪还害羞了，啊，是狗子，啊，算了。
狗还是个蛋的。교보는 우와.
Empanadas.
Jeżu.
Mi. Jeż.
Change your mindset.
I can't do it. It's too difficult. Oh, it's all my fault. When will I be happy? I hate myself.
Мамка бросила своих детей, да? К моей мамке. Пока мамка там ерунда занимается, да? Вот так. Кто-то так, а кто-то так. Я баюшки бою.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bell time, jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We have some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing.
We've got the stream here in front of the lawn camp, and I see this lawn going across the water. Look at that. This is a group of fire ants that have actually built an ant bridge, and they're crossing the stream. Look at this. They've actually built a bridge with themselves on the little bit of plant material, and they're crossing right over to the other side. Look how amazing that is. How absolutely incredible. The protection, the big soldiers walking in the middle of them, escorting them back and forth. Wow, how flippin' incredible is this?
Janta do Bastião. Vem, Bastião. Vem comer. Aí, mano. Ó, janta do Bastião. O Bastião. Vamos jantar, Bastião? Ó, mais um aqui, ó, pra você. Aí, vem. Vem. Aí, maluco.
Давай, Снуп. Гриб будешь или что ты тут? Да хлеба возьми. Возьми хлеба, ну. Давай с хлебом ешь. Ну, бери с хлебом, что ты без хлеба? Укусил? Все. Давай, суп. Суп без хлеба не едят. Только суп с хлебом надо есть.
You know, sometimes I'm a rocker and sometimes I wanna roll. I may go down sometimes, but I come back to rock and roll.
You gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that. Alright, babe. Alright, all you. Alright, for real this time. Here. Alright, one more. Quicker than that. One more time. One more time. Quicker than that. One more time. Oh, that one was good, yo. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright, for real this time. Okay, I'll stop playing you. Here you go. Good catch.